All right, sexy people in YouTube land, you're witnessing history here.
The cameraman is Travis tonight. He's a weirdo.
Old Bobby is doing every bit of the work. I ain't touching nothing.
All right, well, come on. Bring the camera down
Get to
here.
work.
Look.
You can't show that cheating shit.
It'll be all right. We already showed him. Now, listen.
See, you can't see, so that's good.
Yeah. No, but look, you got to show him. Look, this is how you mount your weight on the wedge boat.
This is what not to do. Do not do that.
Why? You ain't got no mounts. And they want you to add 500 pounds.
Do not do that.
They want you to add 500 pounds. I'll weigh 100 pounds soaking wet.
That's some Bobby Joe's lawn care stuff right there. Do not do it.
$20.
$20 yards.
Yeah. No, listen.
No matter how big.
Now I get made fun of starting early and $20 yards. Can't they just leave me alone? And it's not who you think it is, it's other people too.
Damn, we got the old butt crack going again.
All right, come on now. I got different drawers on today. I change them every day.
Oh, you change yours every day?
Well, you know you can flip them inside out.
Oh. I usually go about once a week.
God dang, don't put that on YouTube. That's why you're single.
Just kidding.
No, he's not. God,
I'm kidding.
Dang. Put that camera down.
Pick it up, kid.
Pause.
Use them muscles.
Pause.
Use them little bitty muscles you got there. Come on. Redhead's turning red. Look at there, I'm proud of it.
Yes, Bob, can't wait.
And bad thing, that's only 15 pounds.
No, it's not. 50. Oh, my back's broke.
Well, there ain't no workman's comp here, so.
Yeah. Well, this is what you gotta do. You gotta get Bobcat weight, because I can't afford it. Get that fancy weight. Lay that down so nobody smash your toes. Yesterday, we took that wedge boat out. Now today, we're taking this wedge boat out.
I tell you what, this is awful nice not doing any work. I see why you do this. I think it's gonna be my new job.
Is it?
Yep.
I got some knee pads. You can take your sweat boat out. Alright.
Alright, well, we'll be right back as he takes this wedge bolt out, because it's gonna take him about 2 hours to do it. Got it out yet, kid?
Yeah, I got the wedge boat out. I don't need it no more.
He's lying. Actually, I took it out. I still did the work.
No, you didn't see me come out from under the car?
Yeah, but everybody knows you didn't do it.
Well, I got on camera, come around the car with the wedge boat in my hand. But we don't need no more.
This kid don't know how to do any work.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna be a fact. Look at this car. They're like, oh, that car's junk.
They think it is.
Wait till I line up beside them. They at least gotta come back around me.
Looks can be deceiving.
That's good. That ain't no good, Travis. Look at the motor. They don't really whoop out. Junk.
Just gotta put bumpers on it. Take that messed up crap off right there. I don't know who did that.
Derek Reynolds. Did calling out Derek Reynolds on this one. He's gonna say, I didn't do it. How about it like that?
Then a body, fancy little wrap.
Yeah, fancy wrap. This is our fancy
Pull the wedge bolts out of the front.
This is our fancy wrap. Old black jack.
Old black jack will be ready to go.
Yeah, okay. Come on. You gotta weld that hole up where we took the wedge bolt out.
I gotta weld it? No, this is your job here, Scooter.
Alright, I'll weld it. Remove all this.
You gonna weld it now?
Might as well. Ain't no time like now. However they say it. We need that right here. He talks funny.
Well, so do you, so.
He talks funny.
Do I need to bully you?
Alright, come on. Yeah, bully me. Oh, we got cheap mini stock in here. Cut her down. Cut her down. It's one of those chewed up Mark Dalton cars.
They won't never see the track. Oh, Bobby up there showing some skin.
Putting that transmission in factory stock. Think they'll like it.
Yep, that's the transmission we're running.
Yeah. God, you think they'll like it?
I don't know. You got it?
Yeah, kinda, sorta. Man, my weed eater muscles ain't working. Ain't been weed eating in a while.
$20 yards without weed eating. They're $25 yards with weed eating.
Yeah, what he said. Why not? What's wrong with $20?
Kid wearing a more fishing shirt and he ain't never caught a fish in his life. Only thing he's caught's crabs a few times.
Oh, Jesus, cut that out. I know they hear a lot of cutting. We really cut, man. Water's like 300 pounds.
It's not 300 pounds. It's more like 25 pounds.
All right.
Kids just don't leave the couch during the day.
Yeah. All right, break time.
All right, Bob, tell these lovely people what you're fixing to do here.
All right, fixing to weld this hole where the wedge bolt came out of. Why are we doing that, Travis? Why are we welding the hole? This dirt don't get in it.
I guess.
I don't know. You're the one that told me to weld it. You're supposed to help me out there.
Probably more so water don't get in it and rust that stock crap out.
Yeah, that's what it is. We got the Century welder. You can find that.
That fancy little machine right there.
You can find that at your local Harbor Freight. We're not affiliated. That's how the real pros say it, ain't it? Oh yeah.
You can finance a Harbor Freight.
Huh?
You can finance a Harbor Freight.
Finance? Is that what I said?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what I said.
If you can, I'm fixing to do that.
Did I say finance? I said fine.
Oh, I thought you said finance.
I don't know what I said.
You never know. All right, Danny Jr. Get in there and get the welding.
My head's too big to get in the hole here.
That ain't what she said.
I quit. Family channel. Can't see jack squat, diddly squat. Oh, what happened there?
Get the welding, kid. It appears his underwear is on inside out. Look at that fine job this kid here is doing.
Beautiful, son.
He's probably welding the wrong thing, but he's doing something.
Man, I can run a race car together.
I wouldn't go that far. Hopefully one of them little sparks don't get in your pants. Kid is supposedly plating over the little hole where the wedge bolt used to be and welding it up.
That's just beautiful. Kill it.
She's killed.
That's beautiful, son. I weld so good. I believe we can start making slick. We're gonna call them slick Rick chassis. Coming to a track near you.
Sounds good.
Sounds good, but ain't ever gonna happen.
No. We ain't skilled enough. Look at them little guns right there. Showing them off.
We your muscles, boy. All right, well, I guess that's all we're doing for tonight because somebody wants to show up late again.
Well, somebody wouldn't get off the damn couch.
Yeah, you.
It wasn't me. I'm a working man.
Yeah, you get off.
I'm a working man.
You said, buy the NASCAR game. I don't feel like working on a race car. The 7 o'clock runs around.
Not true.
I'm waiting on you.
Not true. This kid is a bona fide liar. This kid still ain't put no motor in.
No. Now I got my favorite pants.
He's a bad influence with a damn marijuana leaf on his damn car.
Yeah, and I got my favorite pants dirty. My favorite jeans, man.
You need to borrow some money for the laundromat?
Yeah, actually I do. Please, only $5. Somebody send me so I'll wash my clothes. I don't know. Now we got some professional like Hunter Front.
In his side job, he is a preacher on the side.
Yeah.
Preacher Bob.
Praise the Lord. Okay. We gotta be professional like Hunter Front. So we got our super late model here.
Sunday morning service is coming soon.
We got the factory stock here ready to go. Not really. We got a lot of work to do.
He still got to put a body. He won't ever be ready.
I got the I got both the wedge bolts out of the back.
The easy ones.
Hey, got them out though. That's all that matters.
And you still didn't do the work. I got the wedge bolt and the cup out, set the spring back.
We can watch this video. He did all the work.
He just wanted to pause the video, let me do the work, and then he get under the car and pose like he did it.
Yeah. Well, you got that script up, didn't you?
Jesus. It's the truth. I only speak the truth.
Alright. Well, I guess that's all we got for today. Ain't nothing else to do.
Alright, do your whole end of video speech, you know, the like, subscribe,
Alright.
all that junk.
If you like this video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, just subscribe anyways. Help me wash my clothes or something.
Kid's poor.
Yeah. Subscribe, like, subscribe.
He lives in his truck.
Yeah, I live in my truck.
That thing right there.
Yeah, that thing right there. I live, eat, and breathe in the truck. Alright, I guess that's all of it. I don't know what else to say. I'm new to this YouTube
See
stuff.
you next time and all that. You know, you gotta tell him.
Alright, see you next time. Peace out. There we go. All done now, for real. Put y'all on time lapse. Got the tire back on.
And now he's out of breath from putting a damn tire on.
Yeah. Now, we're really done. Say bye, Slick Rick.
Peace out.